You know, I'll be doing my home visit. As a teacher, I really need to do this. Kana galing pa dong mi mag home visit sa among student kay sigig absent. You know, oko. But in fairness, nindot ilang balay. Nindot lang lugar. This is so challenging. Hi, Sir Lone. Ginoo ko, ha? Ginoo ko. Akong stiletto. Kira, ay. Hi everyone, I'm going to do my home visit. Sumuni lang lugar. You know, as a teacher, this is part of our job to do home visit. Home visit sa among students. It's very challenging. Dong lapusan is patupat jod. Uy, Ginoo ko. Basin maabutag ko ana ni balaw, ha? Ginoo ko, fresh ba kay ko ganina. Sumao na nino. Woo! Grabe. Money? Asa si sir? Ay, kanidi ay. Ay, unta gilamat ani.